Hey ladies, it's Natalie here with Risen Legacy here. I sound like my twin sister. She always calls it Legacy, but it's Risen Legacy, and I did a super cute set last night, so I wanted to show you guys how to create this for your nails. I actually just did a set on Facebook showing you this set, or this nail. So I wanted to show you ladies. I don't want to rob you of this super cute design. Let me buff this nail real quick. How are y'all doing? Thanks for hopping on. Ladies, we have a sale going on right now. There's no code needed for buy 2 1-ounce acrylics and then you get one free. So take advantage of that. It's going to go until November the 15th. So you've got up until Sunday to add colors to your cart and decide which one you're going to go with. But we did just release the new Candyland. It's a color that is going to go in a pack for Christmas. Of course, I've got a bunch of colors we are making for Christmas, so keep watch of that. But this is Candyland. It's really cute. Oh, actually, I have it on my nails. Let me show you this hand. We did, this is Bubblegum with Candyland, and then Enchanted Forest for the green. So we just kind of paired it with colors that look really cute together with it. So check that out. I did a sample also of our different golds that we have. If you're a gold person, I always put gold with Christmas. So up here, this is Gold Rush. The middle one is Sunkissed. It's a beautiful, like, tanned gold. And then, of course, we've got our beautiful Risen Rosé, which is a really, really pretty glitter. I am actually going to use that today. I'm going to use Risen Rosé, the rose gold glitter, Roasted Chestnut, which is a very, very pretty nude. It is extremely hot right now, so with the sale, you might want to get it before it's gone. And then I'm using a shimmery red called Deepest Desire. So let me show you all this really cute creation. Take your base coat. Of course, on your nails, you're gonna use our Prime and Bond Aid activator. Our air dry top coat is amazing. So if you get the kits and stuff, I don't want to give it away, you guys, but go to the website, risenlegacy.com, add your email address in there. I think it's at the very bottom. Add your information, and so you will receive the Black Friday specials and stuff. I'm so excited for those to be coming up. I'm grabbing my primer and Bond-Aid. I am just going to put it on just so my fingers, I have lotion on, so I've been touching it. So also, our nail cleanser is extremely important. It's formulated with no water in it, like your normal alcohol pads, alcohol things. They have 70-30. So whenever you put water on these liquids, you guys, it will turn a white hazy look. So grab our nail cleanser. It's super cute. It has a pump top like this. I just broke it off because I use it literally all the time. It's pink, it's cute, and it's only $7.99 or $8.99, and it's going to last you forever. So grab that. Take your base coat, ladies. Now, I'm just going to go down one... Let me put y'all down a little bit. There we go. I'm just going to go down one half of the nail. It's a lot harder trying to show you guys. Making a straight line down the nail. Guys, it's super easy if you get out of line and get a little bit over than halfway. A little trick is to take your activator and put it on the side that does not have the base coat on it and even it up. The activator stops the adhesion process. You'll see that I'm going to use it quite frequently doing this set. So that way you can even up, you can kind of see where I put that. I'm going to dip into Deepest Desire. Dust it off. We have really cute dust brushes. I'm just going to wipe this side, getting some of that pigment off of the side that we do not have the base coat on. Then we're going to at this point, add activator on the red part, or the colored part that you choose. Let it dry for just a second and harden the red, and then we'll put the base coat on over here and dip this side into roasted chestnut. And then we'll come back in the middle and put Risen Rosé, and it's super cute. I picked this nail, so it's a lot longer than we're used to. I'm going to add one more coat of activator. I'm trying to speed this up for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and add base coat on this side of the nail, all the way to the cuticle. Going down the side. If you get out just a little bit, you can again do the activator, or it's not really going to matter because we are going to come back with a little line of Risen Rosé, and that'll cover up where you got out. I was going to say where you... I drank a lot of coffee this morning, or I always drink a lot of coffee. I'm still drinking coffee, so I have a hard time not shaking. All right, so there we have roasted chestnut. Let me put on mags so y'all can see up close. There's a certain... Okay, so there's what we have. Again, Deepest Desires has a beautiful red shimmer in it. It's very, very fine. I'm going to go back. I'm going to put activator on. I don't remember if I did this already. I probably did, but chit-chatting, I forget. So I'm going to go back and put another base coat layer on top of the colored one, the Deepest Desire. Just following that line. We're going to dip that again. It's hard to... did I mention the sale, y'all? I think I did. I'm just really excited about it because I'd love to always have sales for you ladies. Right now, especially, it's super hard with the COVID and stuff like that. I know people are out of work and everything, so I always try to have something going on to help you out because this stuff is important, you know? It's so important. I'm going to let that dry for just a second. Y'all are going to have to do your nails and then let me post a picture or tag me in your picture, tag Risen Legacy, and let me see what you came up with. I would also think this would be super gorgeous with our deep purple is Risen Royalty. Then we have a deep, sorry, I'm looking at all my colors. We have a deep blue is Midnight Sky, and then even Enchanted Forest, the green on my nails, they're just beautiful colors. Blackberry Cobbler, you guys, is a deep burgundy red. We came out with Candyland, of course. I don't know if y'all saw that or if I held that up. I'm so sorry if I did, but this is Candyland. This is a new arrival for the Christmas collection. I just went ahead and released it so that you guys could snag that on the discount. Also, yesterday released was Brownie Points. It's a deep dark brown. Ooh, that would be gorgeous. So grab Brownie Points. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to grab my base coat, go back down on the roasted chestnut side. Now another nude for this if you want lighter. You guys, let me think. There's Sandstone that's pretty. There's Birthday Suit is definitely much lighter than this. It's more like your natural skin tone color. Creme Brulee would be beautiful. Vintage Lace. Vintage Lace is more of a brown, a light brown. That would be pretty. I have so many colors to choose from, you ladies. Thank you, Limmer Life. Oh, hey! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Hey, Melissa. I'm showing them how we did your nails last night. I'm going to post a picture. How do you feel about them today? How many compliments did you get? I had Melissa over last night, and we had fun doing a set. So I just put activator on the roasted chestnut side. Let it harden just a minute, and then we're going to go in with Risen Rosé. Trying to check my time. I'm not sure of all the Instagram rules. Okay, now I'm just going down that center stripe line, you guys. If you turn your brush sideways, you'll get more of a thinner line. Make sure you wipe the brush off pretty good so that it doesn't clump, just drop a big bead on your nail when you're setting it down. I'm going to take the activator and make this line a little bit thinner and straighter. This is also, guys, how you would do, like, if you draw a design on the nail, you would do your the nail in the color that you choose, and then put activator on it, and then you can create the design that you're wanting and it not get on the other part. Now, Risen Rosé is a little bit chunkier, so you kind of have to maneuver that to create your small line. It's super easy. As long as it looks powdery, guys, you are able to pat it down. You're going to want to pat it down so that all the glitter is flat, so that your top coat won't be bumpy. I'm going to go ahead and add one more strip. You don't have to do this if you want them super thin. I love sparkle and glitter and shine, so I'm going to add another layer. And then you always top it in, cap it in the clear coat, you guys, so when you're filing and buffing, you don't file off any of the glitter or color. Again, I've put activator on this side, you guys, so I still am, that red, the Deepest Desires, is not wet, so I'm still able to kind of drag my finger down the center line of this glitter and kind of still maneuver it where I want it. You can use an orange stick or a cuticle pusher, whatever, if you don't want it on your hands. So we have this before I cap it in clear. What happened to Mags? Here she is. Let me show you, ladies. Hey, Alicia. All right, so here is this super cute. That's Roasted Chestnut and Deepest Desires with Risen Rosé down the middle. It's a really good Thanksgiving, Christmas fall color. So I'm going to take base coat and cap this sucker in clear. And I won't file it just for time's sake. And I'll just put a top coat on it so y'all can see how gorgeous it is. Oh, I did just put 2-ounce jars of clear on the website, you guys. So if you're someone who does it a lot, or you actually have a nail salon and stuff like that, grab the 2-ounce clear. That way you won't run low. On this, I'm actually, let me put Mags on because I want to show you guys. I put the clear coat on top, but you can still see that some of the glitter did not get a good layer of the clear on there. If I were to not put another layer on here and you go to file and buff, you're going to file the rose gold look off the silver glitter underneath. So always make sure that everything is fully capped, because, I mean, unless you want that look, but most people don't. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more layer of the clear coat. Also the clear, I don't know if I mentioned, but I do a clear coat of the pure diamond, then I do 2 coats of whatever color that I'm using, and then I always cap everything in clear. The clear, you guys, is the strength of it all. Once I create the different colors and add the pigments to them, it kind of weakens the acrylic. So it's always good to have that firm base layer and then also have a covering on top. I'm just adding activator on this so it will harden and dry while I'll put caps on here. Do any of you ladies have any questions? I'm bad about doing stuff over my powders and getting different colors in there. So I'm going to go ahead and cap them. Okay, I am not going to file and buff this, like I said, for time's sake, but I am going to add our air dry top coat, you guys. We have recently, I've been testing all along, and we have recently improved our air dry top coat. Also, we are testing a matte air dry top coat right now. So, again, go to our website, put in your email address so that you will get updated on all the new colors coming out, all the new things coming out. I've got a bunch of cool things arriving for Christmas. I don't want to give it away. So make sure you're signed up and you don't miss it. Now, I'm going to add the top coat. We'll put mags on so you guys can see it up close. And then you can go start your weekend. Don't forget, we have a YouTube channel, guys, Risen Legacy on YouTube. I upload a lot of videos, and hey, Ashley, thank you. Everybody's loving our liquids, you guys. But here is the nail we did. Dang, what was I just saying? It was important. And then I saw Ashley's comment. All right, guys. What do you think? I don't even know if you can throw hearts up on here. Oh, that's what I was saying. Check out our YouTube. We have lots of tutorial videos, step by step if you're brand new. And then also Facebook. I do a lot of lives on Facebook that I don't do on here and stuff like that. So catch us anywhere. Make sure your notifications are on and everything. So this, you ladies, is super easy, and it looks really hard, and it's very, very beautiful. So if you create this, guys, tag me in your post, and oh, there's hearts. You can do that. Tag me in your post, and so we can see all the creations y'all come up with. So thank you for watching, ladies. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.